Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear all watch videos history on Facebook. So for this, first of all, you have to open the Facebook application, tap on your profile icon in the upper right corner, scroll down, tap on this settings and privacy, go for this settings, and in settings you have to scroll down until you see this option, your activity, and then tap on this activity log. Now scroll down and you have to tap on this logged information. Just tap on it and you can see this option search. Just tap on manage search, and as you can see, these are all the videos you have searched or watched. So you have to tap on this filters and make sure this categories is selected all. And now as you can see, these are all the videos I have watched. So what I simply have to do is, if I tap on these three dots, you will see this option delete. You can tap on it, delete, tap on delete again, and you can delete it one by one. And then again, three dots, delete and delete. So that's how you can delete your all watch videos history. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.